guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I will be sharing with you my current favorites. Yes, nag-pass by na kasi yung mga months na ginagamit ko yung iba dito, kaya ginawa ko na lang siyang current. So, this will be very fast, very quick, and let's get on to the video! Siguro a lot of you will be able to notice, sobrang bilis humaba ng buhok ko. Yes, I know, hindi ko nga alam kung magpapagupit ako or what, but I think not yet, not for now, kasi I want my hair to grow again. Yan. So anyway, proceeding, start tayo with the skincare products muna. Pasensya na, may fan sa harap ko dahil medyo mainit. Yan. For the skincare, I have 1, 2, 3. I have 3 products right here. And start tayo sa aking body. Sa body na lang. Sige, for the body, let's start with this. This is the Bello Intense White Advanced Whitening Formula Anti-Perspirant Deodorant. 48-hour protection, alcohol-free, and anti-stain na deo. Yan. So, I've been using this for quite some time already. As in, like, ilang buwan na. Sobrang tagal ko na siyang ginagamit. And I knew it helped me na mag-whiten at the same time, lessen yung chicken skin. I know problem natin yan ever since high school, then college, and until now we're working. Ito talaga yung tumulong sa akin para maging confident na ako may gulay. Aside from sticking sa sugaring, kasi I don't do wax, I don't shave na, I stick with sugaring. Aside from that, ito talaga yung kakampi ko sa pag-whiten and sa pag-moisturize ng aking underarm. So, after the deo, syempre, meron pa akong isang product na nakakatulong talaga sa akin mag-exfoliate naman ng aking underarms. Not just that, but my entire body as well. And it is the St. Ives na Fresh Skin Apricot Scrub, which deeply exfoliates to reveal smooth skin. So, ayan siya. It's great for sensitive skin as well. Kasi it's all free and natural exfoliants lang yung gamit. So, this one I use sa underarms and sa entire body, and it really helps me ma-exfoliate yung dead skin ko, as in, lalo na sa underarms ko. Sobrang laking tulong nitong apricot scrub na to. I sometimes use it on my face, but not all the time kasi it's too harsh para gamitin sa face, since dapat gentle lang yung ginagamit mong product sa face mo, kasi nga light lang yung skin natin sa face and mabilis, super sensitive ng face, kaya huwag kayong gagamit ng harsh or super deep exfoliant sa face, unless sinasabi ng product, diba, na it's for the face, then go. Pero for this kasi, it's really for the body, intended talaga siya for the body. So, yan. Di ko lang trip masyado yung amoy niya. May something sa amoy niya na hindi ko siya trip, pero nakakasanayan nyo naman din, diba? And super effective niya kasi for me. Kaya, good ako dito. So, how did I know na sobrang deep no exfoliating factor niya? Aside from me testing it, diba? Prior to buying, meron kasi siyang ayan. Prior to buying, may nakalagay dito na exfoliating factor. Nandun na siya sa deep. I guess, pag nasa light to medium, I think this is, gentle to moderate, pwede mo siyang gamitin sa face. But when it says deep talaga, I think it's better, much better sa body siya. So, ayan. That's that. Next is, eto. Next is this Bello Intensive Whitening Face and Neck Cream with kojic acid and tranexamic acid. Yan ang itsura niya, guys. I've been using this as well for the past few months. Oh my God. Oh my God. I mean, ang laking tulong nito. Sobrang nag-lessen na yung, wala na akong na-experience na pimples. Kasi I've started using this sa gabi at sa umaga. After that, super fresh na ng skin ko pag gising. While on work, wala akong problema kasi I know na moisturize pa rin ang aking face. Na-lighten niya yung face ko, but the blemishes, I must say, hindi niya pa din nalalighten. I think I have to go check on other products para din sa blemishes. But for the entire face, sinasabi ko lang siya, for me, nag-work siya, na na-lessen niya na yung pimples after using it twice a day. At the same time, sobrang fresh talaga ng face ko. I mean, I can go out without any makeup. Like, after getting up, kaya ko lumabas ng bahay. Ganun yung levels niya. Sobrang laki ng tulong nito sa akin. repeating yung blemish sa face ko, nandyan pa, hindi niya na fully natanggal, but it lightened my face and my neck. So, yan. So, on with the makeup, guys. Sobrang konti lang din ito. 4 products lang siya. And I'll be starting siguro sa hindi masyadong makeup side. What am I talking about? This is the makeup brush cleaner by, I think, Daiso. Sa Daiso ko ba ito binili? Yes, Daiso Japan. Super effective nitong maglinis ng brush, guys. As in, konti lang, a little goes a long way. Maglagay kayo sa tissue nito, tapos i-brush nyo dun yung brush nyo. As in, spot cleaning, matatanggal niya lahat ng dumi ng brush nyo. I mean, oh my God. Saan ko to nakita? Nakita ko din siya sa mga YouTuber before pa, as in matagal na ito nga yung ginagamit nila pampatanggal ng dumi sa kanilang brushes, and sobrang galing, sobrang mura pa ng product na to, guys. Dahil sa Japan, 88 pesos store lang siya. So, I got this for 88 pesos only. Sobrang working, sobrang ganda nitong product na to for its price. Approved. Okay, moving on. Ito yung next product natin. This is the Taiwan lashes. Nilagay ko siya sa favorites ko. Why? Siguro dahil sobrang accessible pag kinakailangan ko ng Taiwan lashes. I mean, siguro dapat si Trinoma yung nilalagay ko dito sa favorites video ko dahil meron silang Taiwan lashes. But this is one of my favorite types ng Taiwan lashes ngayon. Sobrang ganda nung pagka-feathery nung lashes niya. I got this for 159 pesos. Medyo pricey siya kasi, guys, mall ko siya nabili, hindi po sa DV, hindi po sa palengke, hindi po kung saan. Kaya po mas over the top yung price niya. But nevertheless, I'm putting this on my favorites just to let you know, guys, that I got this from Trinoma and it's super duper accessible for me, although a little pricey. But if you really need yung type of lashes na sobrang mura lang and magandang quality, way to go for Taiwan lashes that you can buy elsewhere. Hindi mo na kailangan punta ng Divisoria, guys, diba? Proof. Ayan, second to the last makeup product natin, guys, is the EB Advanced Glow Out Highlighter in the shade Strobe. Yes, I think this is yung lighter than the gold one, but nasa gold to medium, nasa gold undertone pa din siya. So, ito siya. Ito actually, before ko siya ilagay sa aking super mini haul video, nagamit ko na siya and I like it. Pag nilagay ko siya dito, I think I'm using it already. May pagka-gold undertone talaga siya, but not as gold as yung isang shade or yung isang type. I forgot kung anong name niya, pero mas gold siya than this one. This one, okay pa naman yung color niya. Super ano lang naman. Subtle lang, and at the same time, wala siyang big, wala siyang chunk ng glitters, which I love. Kasi, pag may chunk ng glitters yan, guys, it will make your pores even look larger. Kaya dapat choose the highlighter na wala masyadong glitter. Super subtle lang yung pagka-glittery niya. So, ayan. On to the last product. Ayan, nabanggit ko na to sa mga past videos ko, and it has been my favorite. I'm not using any other type of lip tints or lip balms aside from this one. This is the La Tropica Pure Organic Tinted Matte Balm. Ayan ang itsura niya, guys. This is the La Tropica Tinted Matte Balm. And it is in the shade Julie Ash. So, yan ang shade niya. Super beautiful, diba? Ang ganda ng shade niya. And at the same time, it doesn't dry my lips. Kasi may iba kahit water-based siya or oil-based. Actually, water-based. Natatanggal siya agad. At the same time, nagda-dry yung lips ko sa kanya. But with this one, this is a matte balm, guys. Kaya, I don't feel, my lips don't feel dry at all. I am using tinted matte balm din, but in a different shade. Wait lang. I mixed up 2 shades. This is in Cassie, yung isa. Tapos, yung isa naman is in Baby, yung isang shade. Nag-mix up ako ng 2 shades, kaya mas darker siya. But this one is really my favorite shade. As you can see, guys, diba? Nagsishimmer siya, hindi siya matte talaga. Kaya, Sobrang ganda ng lip balm na to. I'll be putting down the links down below if you guys are interested in buying. So yun lang guys, yun lang po ang current favorites ko as of now. I'm really not venturing into more. Sa hair ko, wala ako nalagay. As you can see, wala ako pong nalagay na hair product because I'm using something but I can't disclose it to you yet. I can't tell it to you guys yet. So once na I am allowed to, I will be sharing it with you. Super ganda niya. I can really let my hair dry ng down lang without using any blow dryer or what. Air dry lang. Sobrang ganda niya sa hair. So I'm really excited in sharing it with you, but soon enough, masashare ko na din siya. Just for now, tikong bibig muna ako. So anyway, you guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe down below and comment down below your video suggestions. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye!